Hello students, welcome back. We are doing exercise 3.3 of chapter 3 trigonometric functions of class 11th. We have done exercise 3.1, exercise 3.2 and 1 to 4 questions of exercise 3.3. In this video I am going to start from fifth question and only one question I will do in this video. Fifth question has two parts. This is fifth one. It has two parts. And before we start this question, I'll give you few identities. So first one is sine x plus y. So sine x plus y is equals to sine x cos y plus sine y cos x. Then second one, sine x minus y. This is equals to sine x into cos y minus sine y into cos x. Then third one is cos x plus y. This is equals to cos x into cos y minus sine x into sine y. Fourth one is cos x minus y. Cos x minus y is cos x into cos y plus cos plus sine x into sine y. Then we have fifth one, tan x plus y. Tan x plus y is equals to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x into tan y. Then sixth one is tan x minus y. This is equals to tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x into tan y. So these identities we say here, see these are the angles, x and y are the angles, x, y are angles. You can write here a plus b also, so any two angles. So these formulas are easy to learn. I'll just tell you a trick so that way easily you can see. See if I have sine x plus y, that means here plus sign is there, here plus sign is there, so here also plus sign. In case of sine, if minus sign is there, here also minus sign. But what you have to do, sine cos, the pair is sine cos, sine x cos y, sine y cos x. Again here sine and cos, here also sine and cos. So sine cos they are together, but signs are same. If this is plus, here also plus. If this is minus, here also minus. In case of cos, you can see if plus is there, then minus. If minus is there, then plus. Cos, cos, sine, sine. Cos, cos, sine, sine. So sine, what is there? Sine SC, then plus again SC. So sine we have this combination, but in cos what we have, if plus is there, this is CC minus SS. CC, here minus is there, then plus SS. So sine, sine and cos, cos are together with angles, these angles. In case of tan, how to remember? Tan also if plus is there, then numerator plus, denominator minus. If minus is there, then numerator minus, denominator plus. It is tan x plus tan y minus 1 minus into tan y. So tan x minus tan y, 1 plus tan x into tan y. So these formulas, so 6 formulas we have learnt, and now we will use these formulas to solve the fifth question. There are so many formulas, so I will not give you all the formulas in one go. So step by step we will do. So in this video 6 formulas I have given you, and I have given you the trick also to learn these formulas. Now first one is sine 75 degree. I have to find the value of sine 75 degree. Sine 75 degree, how to find? See, 75 is not a standard angle. 75 is not a standard angle. So what we will do, we'll split 75 into two standard angles. So 75 we will split into two standard angles. So standard angles we know, which all are standard angles: 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. These are the standard angles which we use. So 75, how we will get? If you see these two standard angles, 30 and 45, if you add these two, if you add 30 and 45, what you will get? If you're adding 30 and 45, you will get 75. So that is how we'll split 75. 75 we will not write as 75. We will write it as sine. We will write it as 45 degree plus 30 degree. So 75 I have split it into two standard angles. So this way, now we have converted the given expression into this form. We have converted the given expression into sine x plus y form. Sine x plus y form. So sine x plus y, like I told you, formula how to remember: SC plus SC. Okay. So sine x plus y is what? Sine x plus sine x into cos y. So here plus, in sine's formula plus only. So sine y into cos x. So here what is x and what is y? X is 45 degree and y is 30 degree. So accordingly we'll substitute now. So sine 45 degree into cos y, cos 30 degree, plus sine y, sine 30 degree, into cos x, means cos 45 degree. Now we know their values. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2, plus sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 45 is 1 by root 2. First multiplication, then addition. So 1 into root 3. So multiplication means don't take LCM, multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So root 3 into 1 is root 3. With 1 if you multiply anything it will be 1. 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2. Plus 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2. So what we will get? Denominator is same. We can write it as root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the answer. Further, we can't simplify it as it is, all the terms are unlike term. So if you want, you can rationalize it, but here it's not required. You can leave it till here itself. Let's do now next one. So next one is tan 15. Next one is tan 15, which is the second one of this one. Fifth question, second part, tan 15. Again we know 15 is not a standard angle. 15 is not a standard angle. So what we have to do? We have to convert 15 into standard angles. So we know standard angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So again if we use these two only, which we used earlier, 30 and 45. If I do 45 minus 30, so if I do 45 minus 30, I am getting 15. So I have chosen two angles. If I am doing their subtraction, I am getting 15. You can see with 60 and 45 also. You can check. So here also if we do, we are getting 15. So any pair you can use. Any pair you can use. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Yes, with both we are getting 15. Either you can write 45 minus 30 or you can write 60 minus 45. Both the ways we can convert this one. The choice is yours. Answer we will get same. With both the pairs we can get same answer. So tan 15, I am going to write 15 as 45 minus 30. 45 degree minus 30 degree. Now you can see which formula I have to use. This is x minus y formula, tan x minus y formula. So what is tan x minus y? Tan x minus y, we have learned, first of all, if minus is there, so in numerator minus will be there. So tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. So it's easy to remember. So individually with tan only, tan x minus tan y. If here minus sign is there, here also minus will be there. Now what is the value of x and y? X is equals to 45 degree, y is equals to 30 degree. So we can always write these values so that when we are substituting, there won't be any mistake. Tan 45 means tan x means tan 45 because the value of x is 45, minus tan y means tan 30 degree as y's value is 30 degree. Then 1 plus tan x. Tan x means tan 45 degree into tan y. Tan y means tan 30 degree. So we can write their values. Tan 45 we know it's 1. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 into again 1 by root 3. If we simplify this thing, so here two fractions are getting subtracted. So 1 I'll write as 1 by 1. Here also if I multiply, 1 into 1 will become 1. So directly I am just writing. So 1 into 1 it became 1. So that's why I just wrote 1 plus 1 by root 3. Here also I can write 1 as 1 by 1. So upside I have one fraction and numerator is also one fraction. Let us simplify these fractions. So how to simplify? We have to take LCM. So LCM is making denominator same. So up and down I am multiplying with root 3. So what I will get here? Root 3 minus 1 by root 3. And below also here I am taking LCM and with root 3 I am multiplying 1 numerator and denominator. So here I will get root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Whenever two fractions are getting divided, see this is one fraction, another this is one fraction. So whenever two fractions are getting divided, outer ones will get multiplied and inner ones will get multiplied. So these basic things you already know. We have done in lower grades as well. So what I'll get? Root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 will get multiplied by root 3 as outer ones will get multiplied, and root 3, this root 3 will get multiplied by root 3 plus 1. Root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled. So now I am left with root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Now here you have to remember the concept of rationalization, because whenever this I'm just going to clear, whenever denominator is irrational number of this form, we have to rationalize. So rationalization we can do, its rationalizing factor will be root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So here, one second, I just wrote rationalizing factor will be opposite sign. So root 3 plus 1 is there, so minus 1, root 3 here also minus 1. So denominator here you see same numbers you have to write but with the opposite sign. So root 3 plus 1 will change to minus 1. Now here what will get? Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. So here I am just writing. So this will become root 3 minus 1 whole square. If you multiply same number with itself, so root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1, it will become root 3 minus 1's whole square, and in the denominator root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1, this is a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. Identities we are using here. So this is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus 2a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b form we already had, we wrote it in this form. Here I am just going to use a square. A square means root 3 square minus 2 into a. A is root 3 into b is 1 plus b square. B square means 1 square. So root 3 square will be 3. Root 3 into root 3. It is equals to 3. 1 square is 1. So upside also root 3 square is 3 minus 2 root 3 into 1 is 2 root 3 plus 1. Now again this side I need, this question is little lengthy. So let us solve this one. By 3 minus 1 is 2. Now this 3 and 1, these are like terms. So 3 plus 1 we can add. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Now we can write it separately. 4 by 2 minus 2 root 3 by 2. So 4 and 2 we can cancel here. So 2 minus here also 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So 2 minus root 3 is the answer. So here we have completed first and second part of fifth question of exercise 3.3. and if you have any doubts in rationalization, I have made one video on rationalization. You can go through that video as well. I have shared the link in description of rationalization also. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll continue from the next question number 6 in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe.